Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming both devices support eSIM and are unlocked. This is why transfers fail otherwise. Once done, sign into your carrier account on the old phone, find the eSIM details, or download the activation QR code and backup contacts. Make sure to enable Wi-Fi and keep battery above 20% during activation. You'll also want the receiving phone nearby with airplane mode off. This accelerates detection and prevents accidental network conflicts during the swap. You now perform the actual transfer using the carrier app or the receiving phone settings. Cellular, add Esim, then scan the QR or select the carrier transfer option. Once you start, follow prompts to accept the plan and confirm transfer. The carrier provisions the profile in the background. Make sure to stay on Wi-Fi and avoid toggling airplane mode until the process finishes. If provisioning stalls, close the app, reopen it, and retry the confirmation step to prompt the network. You finish by testing voice, SMS, and mobile data. Open a web page and make a short call. Once the new phone shows service and carrier name, remove the eSIM profile from the old device to prevent conflicts. Make sure to update voicemail and any carrier apps. If things go wrong, reset network settings first. This often clears provisioning glitches, then restart the phone. If the issue persists, contact your carrier with the activation code and EMA for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.